Your health is your greatest asset. It's also your greatest investment. Men will spend thousands of dollars repairing a truck, motorcycle, car, house, all of those different things. Not saying that those things aren't important, but unfortunately, we ignore the warning signs of our own bodies. We're not taking care of them. That has to change. It really does. That has to change because your family needs you, you and you being healthy is more than you keeping busy or more than people keeping busy. It's about taking care of yourself so that you can be around to enjoy your retirement, so that you can be around to enjoy your family, so that you can do the things that you want to do with them. All right. So, with that, one of the things I need you to understand or would like you to understand is that movement is medicine. You don't have to run a marathon, you don't have to do any of those things. But if you walk, stretch, lift weights, and stay active, your body will be more built to move because your body is built to move. It's built to do things, not to sit around on the couch and stare at TV or Netflix or YouTube or Twitter or what is it, X or any of those things. It's about you being active, being physically involved. So involving your mind, body, and spirit as you move forward with your life. So, point two, eat like you respect yourself. Nowadays there's a lot of stuff that seems like it's fuel. It seems like it's going to help you, but it's not. It's not healthy. It's got all these additives, all this other stuff. Plus, that we have a propensity to eat a lot of junk. So, food isn't just fuel, it's information that you're giving your body. So, the choices that help you to perform and not just satisfy your cravings. You need to eat food that's going to be nutritious, drink water, do things that are going to help you to move forward in your life. Number three, rest is part of discipline. Sleeping isn't laziness. Recovery and preparation is what it is. All right, it's recovery and preparation, getting the rest that you need so that you can move forward. A rested man makes better decisions. Point four, get checked. All right, take responsibility for your body and do things that are going to put you in a way that you can take care of yourself. All right, sometimes things go undiagnosed, and what ends up happening, it gets worse. So schedule a physical, know your blood pressure, know your numbers. you know um, Early action can save your life. It truly can. There's a lot of people in my life that are no longer here because they ignored simple stuff, or they didn't get checked, and then all of a sudden whatever hit. And that's a devastating thing. My One of my mentors, uh, Mr. Reno, the guy is a phenomenal individual, and he lived to be in his 70s, but he ended up passing away with stage 4 cancer. So again, you got to take care of yourself, not only for you, but for those that you care about. So in closing, your greatest wealth isn't your retirement account. It isn't your assets. It's your health. All right. So it's waking up your health enough. And waking up enough? Is waking up enough? No. But waking up healthy enough to enjoy your life that you've worked so hard to build, that's what's important. That's what truly matters. Yeah, this is Mr. Z, the Rebuilds Process, and I hope that this resonates with somebody. You need to really take care of yourself. Anyway, if you like this, please share it with someone that you believe would benefit from it, and follow us at www.mrzinspires.com. That's www.mrzinspires.com, and check out the rebuild system or rebuild process. Take care, be well, and you guys have a great day. Peace.